I will tread down some track, set my eyes on the wild.
Morning.
We're gonna be going. We're gonna be doing some hiking, some uphill. You're gonna feel it in the glutes.
Feel it in the calves,
Yes.
in the feet, in the toes, and everything in the back.
We're gonna get some yoga in, some stretching beforehand.
To the Mount Brown hut, which we have heard is yellow. We have also seen a few cars here, so we're gonna try to snag it for ourselves. I look like such a fucking YouTuber. Welcome to Connor's Barber. Jungle shave here.
The path really does look kind of jungly.
The photo looks fine.
Alright.
Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known.
My god, you can see steam coming off him. You actually got.
Through the trees till I see the sun. Now I know that I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind.
We made it! Finally.
I'll find my feet on the way.
After how many hours?
I'll find my
We made it. The hut is ours.
I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. Step by step, I come alive with my hand up.
You get plus 10 agility.
Won't look back, I'll chase the sun
Okay.
with the life I'm dreaming.
In the cloud.
I expected to cross it off on this trip.
I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way.
How are we feeling about the view?
Fucking sensational. I get to hang out in the cloud today. I'm living my best life.
Show us your front yard here.
Alright, so I got two pet kiwis. I let them free roam a lot because they're really good off leash, so they usually hang out. Obviously, I just did some paint work on the house. The ensuite's being finished, so instead I just got a little outhouse over there until she's done. But you know, then it's here.
Looks pretty good.
My legs won't go where my head was. My collection of words could never
You
be.
can pour some out.
My head won't
You look cool.
your direction of where
Yeah, I just want to see his reaction to this one.
Ooh.
Pop that shit open. Look at this. Ooh. For food on top of a mountain,
Pretty fucking good.
pretty fucking good.
So what if I said it? I meant every word. To my connection, it left me in the moment I was gone. I guess that I stumbled along, and I'm glad where I am when I land. Just get a little rest sometimes.
It's better.
A little cold, but I slept really well. And having a mattress and a roof and like, oh god, that was nice.
Let's depart. There he is. We did it. We made it down from all the way up there.